If you're going to be selling your home, I have a very important message for you. First impressions matter. Although this is true in every market, that's especially true in this low inventory, low affordability market. Most buyers quickly exhaust their active pool of listings and live on the hot sheet. So when you list your property, all buyers are going to look at the same time and either decide it's worth it, set up a showing and maybe submit an offer, or decide it's not worth it and they're never going to think about your property again. You're likely going to want the former, so today we're talking staging. Now, data shows that paying for a professional stager does have a return, but we're going to talk about some of the DIY stuff. Now, your initial focus, and probably the most important, is going to be the exterior of your home to ensure that buyers get through the door. So revamping your front door and entrance area, exterior paint, and things like landscaping are considered to have 100% return on investment. Now, as we move inside, the goal is balance. On one end, with vacant homes, buyers have a hard time painting the picture and setting the stage to make their house their own. And on the other end, if there's too much stuff, too much personal, too much clutter, and it's clearly your house, buyers have a hard time making it their own. Some of the easiest, cheapest, and most effective ways to stage your home is to declutter and depersonalize. When you have a lot of stuff, it can be very distracting for a buyer, and they won't build up the confidence to submit an offer. When you depersonalize, you want to get rid of pictures, family portraits, diplomas, plaques, anything personal, so that when potential buyers come in, they can envision themselves living there. Next, you want your property to be in the best light possible. So make sure your blinds are open, curtains are open, your windows aren't blocked. A lot of your bulbs are probably older and losing power. Maybe they're fluorescent. Swap those out for LED lights so your property is nice and inviting. When it comes to furniture arrangement, you want enough to help a buyer paint a picture and showcase the purpose of that room, but not too much that the property remains open and flowy. Bedroom should have a bed and dresser, living room should have couch, coffee table, TV, dining room should have a dining room set. If the room's requiring it, doing a touch-up or repaint is always a good idea. Make sure you stick to neutral colors so you can attract a broader range of buyers. When it comes to choosing artwork and decor for your home, make sure it fits the style of the home and don't pick anything that's too bold or too personal. Lastly, virtual staging has gained a lot of popularity over recent years. It can be a great, cheaper alternative to staging your home without opting for the physical stage. If you like these tips and want to talk more about how to leverage your property to make sure it sells the first time, all you gotta do is go for Jerry.